Who doesn't want to know the best skills to make the most money? What are the best skills to learn today? It seems like everyone wants to earn as much as they can quickly. People also want to be free to do what they like. So in this video, I'm going to cover some of the high income skills that are worth learning in today's world. I'm Alex, a professional engineer, certified professional career coach, and a certified professional resume writer. In this video, guys, I'm not talking about your career and professional skills. So if you have a regular job now and are interested in developing within your profession, you can also watch another video where I can explain the way to get rich while working as an employee. Link down below this video. But in this video, we will talk about quick skills you can learn at home without the need to go to the university and actually at any age. I used to divide possible income into a few different groups and categories. Two major groups are active and passive income. Active income then drops down into three categories like a wage job, what is a regular work as an employee, the freelance, and the business. With regards to the passive income, it's not a part of this video and is covered in another video. Link is also down below this video. To get rich quickly, the way is only one, is business. To be a freelancer is also similar to being an employee. You sell your time for money. Remember what Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So what are the skills you need today to be a quick millionaire? As Robert Kiyosaki said, a good entrepreneur is like spider with many legs, where every leg is a certain skill like marketing, sales, budgeting, finance, design, communication skills, negotiation skills, coding, programming, different technical skills, etc. So if you talk to successful entrepreneurs, you would know that mostly they are smart people who read many books, completed many courses, so they are continuously developing. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, there is not just one single skill you need to master, so there are many. But let's spot the most important skills you need to master first. The first skill I would recommend learning is marketing and sales. It could be two separate skills, but let's put them together. Why is it the most important? So imagine you have the best product in the world, but if no one knows it exists, how will it sell? This skill helps you share your product with the world and convince people they need it. Marketing is like telling a story. It's about finding the right people who might like your product and telling them why it's so great. You can use pictures, videos, or words on social media to spread your message. The goal is to make people interested in what you are selling. Sales take over when people are interested. It's about talking to potential customers, understanding what they need, and showing them how your product fits those needs. It's like solving a puzzle where the customer's problem is one piece and your product is the missing piece that completes the picture. Together, sales and marketing are powerful. They help people learn about your product, understand why they need it, and decide to buy it. Without these skills, even the best products might stay hidden. And I can tell you even more, if you are brilliant at sales and marketing, you can sell any product, even those that might not be the best quality. It's all about how you present the product and connect with your audience. A skilled marketer knows how to highlight the positive and make people desire a product, even if it's not something they initially wanted. But remember, while being able to sell anything might sound powerful, it's also important to use the skills responsibly. Selling a product that's not good or doesn't deliver on its promises can harm your reputation in the long run. People trust brands that consistently provide value and quality. So while you can sell anything once with a great marketing and sales tactics, building a lasting business requires offering products that truly meets people's needs and expectations. The second skill to master is video making. In today's digital age, there is another powerful skill to have. So with the rise of social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, videos have become a key way to capture attention and communicate messages quickly and effectively. Video making isn't just about recording something, right? It's about storytelling. It's the art of combining visuals, sound, and narrative to create something that resonates with people. When you master video making, you have the power to tell stories that can inform, inspire, or entertain your audience. One of the biggest advantages of video making skills is the potential for free marketing on social media. Social media platforms are places where people spend a lot of time today. They are continuously looking for content that is interesting, helpful, or just plain fun. If you can create videos that stand out, you can reach a large audience without spending a penny on advertising. So you see, now I'm developing and using this skill you as well. Additionally, mastering video making can open up new opportunities. So whether it's for personal branding, growing a business, or even starting a career in digital media, the ability to create compelling videos is highly valued in today's digital landscape. But while mastering video making is invaluable, I don't recommend taking on editing work yourself. A lot of people might suggest doing your own editing to save money or maintain control over the creative process. However, editing is a crucial skill, but often undervalued in terms of pay. It's also incredibly time-consuming, requiring hours of work for just a few minutes of a finished video. As a content creator, your strengths likely lie in generating ideas, storytelling, and connecting with your audience. But delegating the editing work to someone skilled in this area, you can focus on these strengths, producing more content, and developing your brand or business further. Hiring an editor allows you to maintain the quality and consistency of your videos while freeing up your time for other important tasks such as planning your content strategy, marketing, and engaging with your community. It's a cost-effective strategy in the long run because it enables you to grow your presence and reach more effectively. Remember, building a successful brand or presence on social media is about leveraging your skills and time effectively. While it might not seem cost-effective to do everything yourself, delegating tasks like editing can accelerate your growth and lead to better outcomes in the long term.
Sending hundreds of resumes but not getting any response? EngineerNow is a platform for creating resumes for engineers of all professions. The most crucial aspect of a technical specialist's resume is their professional skills. On the EngineerNow platform, technical skills and competencies for almost all engineering professions have been manually selected, and you can add them to your resume with just one click. In today's world, most companies use AI algorithms to screen resumes, so even the format of your resume matters during the selection process. EngineerNow uses formats tested over the years on hundreds of engineers. Use what truly works.
The third most important skill to acquire is communication skills. So this might not come as a surprise to many, as it's skill frequently lauded as crucial in today's world. However, then we talk about communication, it's not just about the ability to speak. It encompasses presentation skills, capacity to convey ideas clearly and effectively in front of an audience, overcoming the fear of public speaking, and the art of expressing thoughts diplomatically. This broad skill set includes being comfortable and confident in front of the camera and mastering public speaking. So these abilities are essential not only for personal interactions but also for professional success across various fields. So whether you are delivering a presentation, pitching an idea to potential investors, leading a team meeting, or creating content for social media, effective communication can significantly impact your message's reception and your audience's engagement. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, he has often highlighted the importance of communication skills. He once mentioned that improving his communication skills effectively increased his value by something like 50%. In a digital age where much of our communication happens through screens, being able to present yourself effectively on cameras is also becoming increasingly important. This skill can enhance your ability to connect with remote audiences, whether in webinars, video calls, or social media content. Mastering your communication skill set can open doors to numerous opportunities, enhance your personal and professional relationship, and significantly contribute to your overall success. Warren Buffett's emphasis on communication underscores its value, reminding us that investing in your ability to communicate is investing in your future. So guys, these are the three most important skills I would recommend to master first for anyone to be a millionaire. Good luck, see you in the next video. Bye bye.